What's happening, everybody? Thanks for coming by. Today we're going to dive into a new project. I'm going to start a Let's Learn How to Build a Guitar series, since I don't know how to build a guitar, and it may be something I will be doing in the future. What I'm doing here is I just got some mock-up glue edge pine I got from the local Menards. So what I plan to do is we're going to glue it up, some regular glue, use a roller. Let's get it out. First time I've ever going to attempt a glue up project like this. Clamp it together. We're going to let it dry, and then I'm going to work with Vcarve and get the file ready, tool pass, so I can do the guitar body on the CNC machine. Hopefully we both learn something as this project gets going. I just want to make sure that I do things right, and yeah, I just want to learn to do this. Eventually I hope to have some solid guitar body blanks to run the projects on, and then commit to actually carving the future masterpiece that I plan to build. And it's going to be the body, the neck, everything. It's probably going to be a long process, but I'm ready to move on to these more difficult projects. So I appreciate everybody for coming by. I'm going to run it a little bit, recording as I glue up the panels, and that's pretty much going to be the end of the video. And hopefully I can get these videos out quickly as the project progresses. Alright, well, that seemed to go pretty easy. I do apologize for the random use of these awkward clamps. Still got to add to my inventory of tools, get proper clamps. We're going to let that dry up a few hours. I'll be able to take the clamps off, and then I'll get to working on the file, and then we'll move on from there. As always, I appreciate everybody for coming by and viewing the video. Please like and subscribe and ring that bell for the future updates of this project and any others I have coming up. Alright, thanks for coming by.